Quick unboxing of Smith & Wesson. See what you get when you buy this item. This is the Smith & Wesson M&P22 caliber pistol. It's made in Germany by the people who make Walther. The magazine is 12 capacity round, also made in Germany. It has a thumb safety. Also, it has a magazine safety. So when you try to press the trigger without the magazine, it will not go off. You gotta have the magazine inserted for the trigger to go off. Again, Smith & Wesson M&P22. The magazine release is reversible. It has MB safety and MB magazine release. Only comes with one magazine. That's the drawback about this. They should charge you a little bit more and add another extra mag because these mags are hard to find. It comes with some tools, little wrench and two Allen. Two Allens are for the sights. The back side is adjustable. And in the paperwork we have spring casing, NRA, the instruction manual, registration, and also we have a lock. The M&P22 long rifle by Smith & Wesson, manufactured by Walther in Germany. Thanks for watching. Lower. Lower. There. Lower. That's it.
Thank you for watching the NCGUNS videos. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please remember to hit the thumbs up button over there and give us a like for this video. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below or send us a message through YouTube or Facebook. See you next week.